Fingers trace the skyline, weaving beats in neon light. A pulse ignites the city, pulling hearts into the night. He bends the rhythm, breaks the time, turns a whisper into fire, makes the dark and daylight rhyme. From echoes deep in yesterday, he builds the songs we crave. A melody that spins the air, a wave we rise to break. He's a wizard of sound, cast the spells with every beat, turned a heartbeat into motion, made the silence obsolete. Through the static and the thunder, where the lost become the free. He's a sorcerer of echoes, setting souls to melody. He took a memory, dressed it up in flashing gold, made a moment last forever, left us weightless in its hold. Fused the past into the future, tied the old into the new, built a bridge of sound to wonder, spun the stars into the blue. From echoes deep in yesterday, he builds the songs we crave. A melody that spins the air, a wave we rise to break. He's a wizard of sound, casting spells with every beat, turned a heartbeat into motion, made the silence obsolete. Through the static and the thunder, where the lost become the free. He's a sorcerer of echoes, setting souls to melody. Through the waste and fading twilight, he rewrites the rules of time. Every note a magic whisper, every drop a grand design. He's a phantom in the rhythm, a conductor of the stars. Every sound a new dimension, every beat unlocks the bars. Sorcerer of echoes, setting souls to melody. Through the bass and fading twilight, he rewrites the rules of time. Every note a magic whisper, every drop a grand design. He's a phantom in the rhythm, a conductor of the stars. Every sound a new dimension, every beat unlocks the